don't know if you guys must have watched the interview that Akon did, in which he was talking about the African Americans, the people of African descent, and he was telling them that, whatever you guys are doing here in the Americas, take it to Africa. If you are doing business, or if you want to open business, if you are looking into owning a property, if you want to buy a land, if you want to build a house, take it to Africa. I mean, you are going to you'll be super cool there. You're not only going to be doing this business in the land of your ancestors, but you are also going to be free from rape to the seas and a lot of stuff that is going on in the America and in the diaspora. So he was saying a lot of sense in that interview. And let me tell you something, there is a lot of African diaspora who are presently in the continent right now, who have already buy their lands, who have already built houses for themselves, and they are some of them have opened up businesses, and they are doing pretty well for themselves. They are doing pretty well for themselves. So if they can achieve it, then why can't you achieve it also? Maybe you might be planning of coming to the continent, and I'm sure most people of African descent in the diaspora, many of you guys have never been to the continent, many of you guys have never been to the motherland. I'm sure most of you are just watching the motherland from TV, from news, TV stations, or maybe you are hearing it, or somebody is telling you, or let me just see how you are watching this video right now on YouTube as I'm telling you guys about Africa. So I'm sure many of you guys have never been to Africa. Now, it is possible for you to do anything if you are planning to come to Africa, if you are planning to come and do business, because there's a lot of false information that have been given to you guys. Now, if you are planning to come to Africa, you should come to Africa and establish your business. Matter of fact, it is what I am even recommending. I can say it is an advice that I am giving you guys. If you have the money that you want to open up a business, don't even forget about America. Come to Africa and open your business there. Come to Africa and build your house, buy your land, and you are going to thank me later. And I don't know if you guys must have been hearing of what is happening in Africa today, the coups that are happening in the African countries. Now, these things are happening. It's not because of it's not as if the coup is a good thing, but it is happening for, like I said, like I've been saying in my other videos, there is a wind of change that is blowing all across the African continent. And so we Africans, we are fighting to safeguard what our ancestors left for us. We are fighting to safeguard this land. Meanwhile, we are waiting for you guys, because we need to unite as one people and build this continent together. So as we are fighting, we are all in this together. Okay, instead of foreigners to come and take the land, we are fighting to secure the land so that our brothers are going to come and join us as we are going to grow up Africa together. So that is what I said. Let me share with you guys today in this video. So if you are planning to come to Africa to establish, or maybe you have not even really gotten an information about establishing, even though I'm not just going to suggest to you guys to just, maybe if you haven't have a reliable person that will welcome you in Africa, or maybe especially when you are coming to do business, all right, you should have a reliable person that will welcome you to the continent and show you around, so that you should not get scammed. Because I watched some other videos where some people are complaining that they get scammed, all right, in Africa. And you guys need to understand that in every group of people there must be the bad species. So especially if you are coming to do business, do not send your money to somebody that you are not or you do not trust. Okay, so that is what I said. Let me share with you guys. And if you're just coming new to the channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. And I'm going to be seeing you guys on my next video. Have a nice day.